of grasping and doubting, totally freed from samsara to safety gone. Him I call a Brahmin and Arahant true. Dhammapad 414. He has crossed over the quagmire of passion. He has gone beyond the difficult terrain of blemishes that is hard to traverse and has crossed the cycle of existence. He has fully and totally reached the other shore. He is a meditator and bereft of craving. His spiritual doubts are all resolved. He is no longer given to grasping. He is cooled. Such a person I described as a true Brahmana, as a true Arahant, who overpassed this difficult path, delusions, bond, the wandering on, who has crossed beyond contemplative uncraving with no questioning doubt, no clinging fuel, so cool become. That one I call a Brahmin and Arahant true. Dhammapad 414. Jo imong polipathang duggong sangsarong moho mochoga tinno paragoto jhai oje onejo okothong kothi অনুপাদায় নিবৃত তমহং ব্রহ্মী ব্রাহ্মণং। Dhammapad 414।